All right. So let me just clear all this. See, I've noticed something. The sweetest trades, the sweetest trades are taken on the daily time frame. You can never miss. You can never miss with the daily time frame, to be honest. So I would love everybody to be patient when they are taking, when they are, especially for cryptos, when you're chatting up your trades. Hello, can you hear me? Can everybody mute themselves? Can everybody mute themselves? All right, thank you very much. So please you have to be patient. To get the best trades, you have to be very patient. You see, all those trades I called yesterday, I went back to analyze. And when I went back to the daily time frame, I mean, I was beating myself up. If I had only analyzed on the daily time frame and waited for it, I mean, honestly, there's no need to rush. It's better to wait. And that is why swing traders make a whole lot of money than scalpers. Ask anywhere, take this thing to the bank. Swing traders make a whole lot of money more than scalpers because they tend to get all the pips in the market, but they tend to wait the most. So let me just clear all this so that you see. Now there's a new strategy, Coach Oran. It's just Fibs. So for the setting of the Fibs, you have to go to your levels, go to Go Live and look for Coach Oran to get the Fibs, to understand how to use the Fibs. I'm just here for us to chat up and set our alarms for the weekend, okay? So, but for you to get this man's Fibs, in fact, you even have to be on the homework group because he's not even giving it out. It's like a secret source. He's not giving it out. It's for people that are in the homework group. And anybody that comes, and all my people on the team, once they're subscribed, I make sure they find their way to the homework group. And it's not just about being in the homework group. You also have to do your homework so you understand, because the more you practice, the better it is for you to understand what's going on. So let's start with BTC. All right. So this is BTC, guys. On the daily time frame, this is where you can set the time frame you want to analyze. So daily time frame, all right? All right. Daily time frame. Now, what can you see? You see a what? A rally of sellers, right? Remember on my YouTube channel, I actually taught you guys about how to trade continuation using what? Using flags and pennants. So can you see a flag here? You can see there's a flag here for the continuation to this, for this thing to drop down. Another flag here. It might drop down, it might continue, or it might go all the way up. So I hope everybody can see this. Let me just make it clear. Hold on. Let me do the poll. Let me do the poll. Sorry, parallel channel. All right. This is the downward movement, but okay. Hold on. Let me just grab the right tool. So connecting it from here, 2 or 3 lines, like I explained before. Here and another one here. Yes. By the time you practice using your trading view, don't worry. It will be easy for you to get it. So if you go back to my YouTube channel, I taught you guys about continuation pattern, the flag and the pennant pattern. Okay, so this is a bearish pennant. So instead of the normal flag shape, this one has a triangular shape. It's the same thing, if you ask me. It's the same thing. All right. So, okay, let me just end it here so that you see what happened. Beautiful. So once it broke out of here, this was the longest this thing, the longest far, or you can even use this place, the place that touched the flag. Look here. You see, it broke out of this and then kept going down. So look at it, formed another one here. See why the daily time frame is sweet. Daily time frame is very sweet. It formed another one here. You can see clearly with the daily time frame. Formed another one here. So let me just see if I can touch one or two spots. Okay, this is good. All right. Oh, beautiful. So can you guys see this? Can you see this is also a bearish flag? So for it to continue, it has to break here. It has to break this point. It has to break this point for it to continue. For those on the trading group, there was somebody that dropped this on the trading group on why he believes that this thing is going to, but you can see the market is going up. So if it breaks here, if it breaks here, if it comes up like this, you wait for that retest for it to push up. Okay, and breaks this place. Oh my God, why is it unstable? All right, can everybody still see and hear me? Catherine, can you still see me and hear me? I just got one that my network is unstable. All right. Can everybody still hear me? Can somebody just send me a message? Because I want to be sure everybody. All right, beautiful. All right, beautiful. Thank you. Sorry about that. So if it breaks here, but you can see this market is moving up. So this is one confirmation that it might go up, but we're also ready for the downside movement. We're also ready for the downside. This is one confirmation. So the thing is already going up like this. Okay. You can see the green candle. You can see the green candle already going up. That's one. Now, as a reversal trader, I will show you my starting point strategy and this crypto. But I'm just going to delete everything. You can take a screenshot if you want. You can set, but let's not use this one. Let's use the strategy we're used to. So this is, you can see the bearish flag, the bearish pennant. All right, for a continuation pattern. So we don't know if this thing is going to keep doing this, but let's use the other strategy for confirmation. This is how you check whether it's going up or going down. You should be ready. Okay, so I'm just going to clear this. All right. Now, where are my reversal traders? Let's go. Starting point strategy. Starting point strategy. Now, you can see your rally of sellers, right? You can see your rally of sellers here. You can see your rally of sellers. No interruption. Then here was the interruption. So this is my starting point. True or false? True. This, true or true? True. There's no false here. So this is my starting point. I'm just going to pick up my horizontal ray. So this, it came down, all right, interruption to the upside, and then I mark it. Let me make it bolder. Let me use orange or yellow. Ooh, orange is dull. Yep. So who can tell me what is happening? Have you seen the movement of this thing? Have you seen the movement of this thing? I'm coming, baby. I'm coming. So can everybody see? This is my starting point. Now, as a reversal trader, I'll wait for it to break, close. This is exactly what he did. He broke, closed, and then you wait for the retest to take the market up. But guess what? This market went against us. It went against us. It was supposed to break, retest, and take the trade. It gave us just a few pips. It gave us just a few pips before it started coming back down. It broke, retested, gave us a few pips before it started coming back down. Okay? That's why it's good for you to set your stop loss and always move your SL into profit. So imagine if you had entered from here, you would have caught some pips. From here to here was some pips. If you had entered this the bottom of this red candle from this yellow line, you would have caught about, oh my God, you don't say, about 1,000 pips, 1,077 pips. You see, you would have caught about that here. So you see why the starting point, I don't joke with it. You would have caught something, you understand, and set, your stop loss. You move your stop loss. Once you're inside into good profits, you move your stop loss up. So that even if it goes against you, you don't come out with a loss. You come out with what? Profit. So this is what it would have given us. But guess what? What is happening again? What is happening again? Can you guys see? It has come back up again. It has already retested. It has come back up. Okay, guess what? Okay, let's say this is our breakout. Now, what we are waiting for is this retest again to this place. We wait for a candle to come here and touch here, and I'm in on that trade. I don't care if it's going to go south. But then you have to be ready for the market. You set your stop loss. Okay? You set your stop loss. You have to be ready for the market any which way it's going. So if this comes back here, this is my breakout candle. If it comes back to this place, which is all what levels is about, then this should be your entry to take this market all the way here. All right, that's a lot of pips to catch. If you ask me, that's a lot of pips to catch, because on the daily, I don't see any starting point here for me to look for a take profit. But if I want to look for a quicker take profit, because I don't know if it's going to go all the way here, I would just come down to a lower time frame to look for an interruption and make that my take profit. So usually, let me go to the 4-hour and see if there's an interruption there that I can use. Oh, look at that, no interruption. So this market has no option than to go out. Okay, yes, I've seen one. I've seen one, this place. So if you look closely, you will see it too. There's an interruption here. So this will be my next TP. This will be my TP. Then as for my stop loss, I always love to use below my starting point here. I always make it tight. I always make it tight. But from my experience so far, if I make it so tight, it will always come down, hit stop loss, and start going up. So usually I like to wait and watch the market. So I'll set an alarm here. I'll set an alarm here. If it touches it, I'll still wait to see if that particular place is rejecting the candle that wants to come down there. If it's rejecting, I'll wait for that trade until it breaks and closes below here. Then I was okay, I'm fine. So I'll usually set an alarm below the last week here. I'll set an, all right? I will set an alarm here, and then I'll wait to see if that thing will go against me. All right? So that is how we do it. You come down to lower time frames to look for your stop loss, because you might not see a stop loss. But even if I go on the daily, it's just that if you are a swing trader, you can risk more, because if you're saying, okay, you can even see it here. So look at, this is my stop loss. So I will set an alarm here. I will set an alarm here. So wait for a crossing down. Once the bar close, then once it closes and it alerts me that it is below, I'll say close the trade. Close the trade. Wait for the next move. because you can never know what, nobody owns the market. The market can do what it wants. Next, we are not the market movers or the shakers. So we are just retail traders. All right. I'm trying to, guys, give me a second. Something is blocking me. Okay. All right. So I'll just click create, and that's it. I've created my what? I've created my alert. So I get that alert and I'm in. There is a new strategy that Coach Oran is teaching us right now. There is a new strategy that Coach Oran is teaching us right now, how to use the Fibs. He has already put the setting there. All you need to do is subscribe to your levels and get the setting. He hides the settings there. He's only giving it to people that do their homework as our this thing. So it would be wrong for me to just expose it. So please, please and please, if you know you're in the homework group, go ahead and, he's going to drop it there. He said he's going to drop it there for us. If not, you have to just use your levels and then plot it out with the Fibs you see there. Okay, so look at that. It's W's and M's. It's W's and M's. So when you are on a downtrend, you look for M's. When you are on an uptrend, you look for W's. All right. So you can use that one for a lower time frame than the daily. But I'm just going to stick to my, let's use it on the 4 hour. Let's see. All right. So on the 4 hour, it's looking like we are expecting uptrend. So I'm looking for what? W's. I'm looking for what? W's. All right. So on the 4 hour, this looks like an uptrend. I'm looking for W's. Okay. I see one here. This looks good. This looks good. So I'm just going to pick my Fib, draw from the middle of the W to the end of to the beginning of the second leg of the W. Okay. All right. This is a different Fib. All right, look at that. Look at that W. This is a W. All right. So look, this blue part is the entry. This blue part is the entry. Look at what happened. It came here, tested, and gave us all those pips. It gave us all those pips. So it came here, we touched that blue part and gave us pips all the way. You see? So much pips. This red line is your take profit. These 3 red lines, take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. And if it goes against you, this red line here below the blue line is your stop loss. So the Fib already gives it to us. Like it already gives it to us. You see, that's how this one was able to take place. Now let's go closer to the market. This is a W. This is a W. All right. This is a W. Now I'm going to draw this Fib there again. From the middle of this W to the end of the second leg of the W and drag it. Wow, Bitcoin is already going up. Oh, wow, 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 wow. This thing should come down and meet oh my God, what are we going to do? This thing should not leave us. Please, don't leave us, please. So, okay, look at that. Where is Bitcoin going to like this? Which kind of thing is this? Look at this thing is moving. So look at using this W, what we wait for is for it to come back, all right? For it to come back and touch here. For it to come back and touch here, these are 3 entries, 1, 2, 3. You can see that yellow line and this third entry are on the same spot, the same place. That yellow line we plotted from using the starting point strategy. Can you see it? It's on the same spot, on the same spot. So these things don't lie. They don't lie. Let's even bring it down to the That's the same spot we got from the daily. This is the 4 hour. Can you see? This is the 4 hour. I even thought we were still on the daily. So you can see it's the same. So what we're waiting for is for this market to come here. Bam, sorry, here. And then go up. If it goes against us, this is your stop loss. Same as the one we plotted from the daily. Can you guys see? Very easy. Very easy. Once you can master that, the Fibs, you can, even with this thing here, you still have to master the Fibs. Because I don't even know how to set it. I had to beg the man to drop it on the homework book. You understand? So you can see this blue line is your entry. This red line here, the three of them are your stop loss. All right? So see, take profit here. The ones here are your take profit. So this is what I'm waiting for again, using this strategy, even on the lower time frame. I'm still waiting for this to here. 24,880. It might even go all the way here because remember, we couldn't find a starting point. Okay, when we came down to the 4 hour, we found a starting point close to, let's see if we can find it here. Let's see. Yeah, we found a starting point. Okay, but it was all the way here though. It was all the way to 28,318. So guys, we are in for a ride. But if this thing goes against us, our stop loss is already here waiting for us. If it goes against us, then we know that it wants to drop. Okay, we'll know. We'll wait for it and see what happens. If there's a break and close below the stop loss, then we know that it's going to keep selling. I hope this is clear. I hope this is clear. All right. So this is for BTC. Please take a screenshot. You can set your let me remove this so everybody doesn't get confused. I'm going back to my daily time frame where I plotted it. All right. So this is what we're waiting for, guys. This is what we're waiting for this market to come back here, retest, and we are taking this market up. But if it comes back and hits your stop loss, don't be sad. We're getting ready to move down. It's as easy as that. Don't even fret. We're going to chop the market anywhere it goes. Just lose a little to make more. That's all. All right. So has everybody taken a screenshot? I have 10 minutes for this Zoom. Let's enter ETH-USD. It's the same thing, same movement. The three of them move the same way. Okay, the three of them move the same way. The three of them. So you see a lot of companies and the brokers with their own this thing. I usually like Bitfinex. Bitfinex is the one to use for any crypto on your trading view. So I've already even marked up this one. They all move the same way. Besides, congratulations to those that took the swipe coin from yesterday. I think we made some profit and then the thing started going back. Okay, so I'm just going to clear this. We're going to do the same thing here. This is the daily, okay? This is the daily. So I'm going to leave the XRP for people to plot for me. Send it to my phone. Send it to my phone. Let's see. I'm going to leave the XRP. You guys plot out the XRP, chat it up for me and show me where we're waiting for a buy or a sell. All right. So look at that daily. Same thing. What you can see is the same movement, flag, same movement, flag, looking like it's going to the upside using the flag pattern. Now we're going to just use the starting point strategy again, using this one. Look at that. There's a starting point here. There's a starting point here. You can see. So all you need to do is put it here, put your line right there on the wick. There. Okay. So I'm waiting for this market to come back here. Oh, there's even a starting point. So if it comes here and breaks this starting point, we know that it's coming down here, but I'm not willing to take a sell from here to here. It's too short. So look at that. So I'm waiting for this thing to come down here. So ETH might still sell all the way down here. For those of us that enter that sell trade, it might still sell all the way here. Then we know that from here, it's going to start buying. Okay. So I'm just going to set my alert. Okay. Crossing down. Only once right now. And then I'm just going to know that I'm going to buy. Buy that. All right. I'm just going to buy that. If it goes against me, this is where my stop loss is, right here. Right here. My stop loss is right here. Below the last week. Don't want to hear story. Seems to even be a major support. My stop loss is right here. All right. And my take profit, if it comes down, I'm taking this place as take profit. 1912. This is the former, you can see there was a starting point here. So I'll wait to get to this starting point and I'll take my profit. There's a starting point here. So starting point is starting point. Is a great way to set your TP and your stop loss. So can you take a screenshot? You can take a screenshot. All right, take a screenshot. Using the Fibs, using the Fibs, using the Fibs. Okay, let me even do it on the daily. Let me do it on the daily, okay? Using the Fibs. So we can see this is a downtrend on the daily. What we should be looking for are M's on the daily time frame. All right, this is an M, but you have to make sure that it breaks and closes below the middle. So it did not. So you can't use this M. You have to look for another M. You have to look for another M. Okay, this looks like an M. This looks like an M here. If you can't see it, let me bring it out for you. This looks like an M. M pattern came down here, came back here, broke. Beautiful. This is an M. So how do I do it? I get my Fibs right here. I draw from the center of this to the second leg and I stretch it. Okay, I stretch it. Okay. I think I'm still too far from the market. I think I'm still too far from the market. Because with this M, it told us, oh, see what happened now? It came, retested the blue side, and gave us all those pips. Guys, this thing doesn't lie. It gave us all the pips because I told you when you're in a downtrend, you're looking for M's. When you're on uptrend, you're looking for W's. Look at this M and look at that. So I drew from the middle to the second leg of the M and look at all the pips. It came back, retested the blue part, came down and mad profit. Even past TP gave us all the way here, man. So if we had seen this, and this is why daily is sweet to trade. Daily is the sweetest to trade. No need to rush. The patient ones eat the fattest bone. So this is it. You can see. Now I'm looking for another M. If I can even find. Oh, this is another M. This is another M. This is another M. All right. So see now. The thing has already. Okay, beautiful. Okay, beautiful. This is another M. So what do? I pick my Fibs. Let's remove these Fibs. What do? I pick my Fibs. I draw it from the middle of the M to the second leg of the M. I pull it and I'm waiting for. Whoa, guys. Look at that. Was why they called a sell for us at Ethereum, for it to come down, for it to take profits here. Oh my God. So anybody that is in this trade, we're waiting for this thing to get to this take profit. So it got here, it gave us to this place. If you can see, the blue, the green candle got here and gave us to this place. So guys, but remember, if it goes against you, by now, it would have removed some people because they would have moved, I mean, their stop loss down in profit. This thing came down and now it went back. It went back here. So people would have been stopped out and they're okay with what they've gotten. So right now we're waiting for the next move, all right? So set your alarms. Set your alarms. Please, nobody should miss these trades. Nobody should miss this trade. So what we're waiting for is for it to come back down here, give us, and then take. If it breaks and closes below the stop loss, we know that this thing is going down. If it breaks and closes below this stop loss, we know it is going down. So I'm just going to set my alarm. I click on the line, then I click on the clock, and then I set my alarm, crossing down, wait for retest and sell. Close, wait for retest, and sell. create. So I hope you guys are ready. Someone should use what I have taught you right now. Even if you do not have the Fibs, you can use your starting point, you can use the flag, and you tell me what you are expecting for the XRP market. All right, guys, if you have questions, please hold on. Let me stop this recording. The time is remaining 1 minute for this Zoom to end because I'm having issues trying to resubscribe to my Zoom. So please bear with me. If we're out of this Zoom, re-enter. I'm going to make sure I open it on time. So we re-enter and then we continue. I'll take your questions after I stop this recording. So thank you guys for showing up. God bless you all. God bless you all. God bless you.